Yeah, so Prodigy came about because we saw that people were installing plastic sprinkler systems on their roofs in bushfire areas, and we thought, why not design a system that's built to last, that's reliable, and that will definitely switch on when you want it to. So yeah, that's how Prodigy started, and we started to make custom design sprinkler systems mounted to the roof permanently using Australian stainless steel. And the way we do our designs is a water curtain design. So we use a couple of different types of sprinklers, but the main one is a twin arm sprinkler, and that sits around the perimeter of the property. So we want to use the wind to our advantage. So when it's blowing quite hard, we create a curtain of water vertically around the perimeter of the property, and that water is then blown onto the roof or onto the side of the house, which is usually where the embers will collect. So it's an ember suppression system. So it's designed to create a moisture bubble over the property and around the property. So when the embers blow during a bushfire, they're extinguished, or they land in an already a moist environment. So yeah, every house is obviously so different, and we have to do a custom design for everyone. There's a couple of levels of automation as well. So the fully automated system, we have partnered with a company called Emberagus, and they have a flame sensor that sits on the roof, has 360 vision, and will detect a fire front up to 250 meters away, and will also detect a small spot fire just around your house as well. So there's also our Prodigy manifold box, which is a remote activated system. So that is connected to the Prodigy app, and you can switch your system on and off via the Prodigy app. You can see the flow rate of your system and know that it's functioning as well. We also use electric and diesel pumps depending on whether a customer has a generator or solar and backup battery. The electric pumps are great, they're low maintenance, but the diesel pumps have a lot more grunt in it. So for the bigger systems, we typically use a diesel pump. We also make custom ember-proof boxes, and those are designed to create good airflow into the pump still, but while creating a safe environment for your critical infrastructure. We design our systems with Ozpress stainless steel. It's made in Australia. It's UV stable, frost resistant, and fireproof. We want our systems to last a lifetime, so we use the highest quality materials possible. So we use a couple of different types of sprinkler heads. The main one is the twin arm sprinkler head that creates the vertical water curtain around the perimeter of the property. In a situation when we've got a deck or underneath a house that needs to be doused with water, we can go with the butterfly sprinkler. That just creates more of a plume of water, which is great for wetting down a deck. The choice of sprinkler heads is important because we want really good coverage, but we also need to be conscious of water conservation too. So depending on how much water somebody has will also depend on how we spec the sprinkler heads as well.